Hey guys, it's Noble Strength, and today I am getting ready for a tea party. It's actually a bridal shower, but the theme is a tea party, and my girlfriends and I are hosting. It's actually being held at one of my friends' house, but we're all kind of working together to make it happen. Actually, everything is done except for I have to make some English cucumber sandwiches, the little tea sandwiches. I've never been to a tea before, so this is my first time and I'm really excited because you know me, I like getting dressed up and doing girly things. And my friend Angela is the bride-to-be. She's phenomenal, nice, kind, generous, all of those things. So to do this for her is an honor. And my friend Alice is the one who's hosting the party at her home. She has a gift of hospitality, her and her husband. So they've opened up their home to host the tea there. It's plenty of room. The scenery is nice. It's gorgeous. My friend Tina is good with putting together games and decorating, so she's been helpful in that area. So everybody's playing their part, which is what we do in the body of Christ, and I am so excited for this, to host this for her. So right now, we're about to make the cucumber sandwiches, finger sandwiches, and then I am going to get dressed and we're going to head over there. So it's about a little before 10 a.m. now. The shower's at 2, but I'm arriving at 1 to kind of help set up a little bit, and hopefully I can get some footage of that and some of the footage of the games without being too intrusive on this enjoyable day for Angela. So let's make the sandwiches. To make the cucumber sandwiches, you're going to need room temperature butter, some fresh dill, which I've already diced up and put in the room temperature butter, a squeeze of lemon also in the butter, and a little bit of sea salt, and mix that all together. You'll need an English cucumber and bread of your choice. I'm using this brioche by Artisano. It's a Sara Lee brand. You'll need a cutting knife and a slicer. And those are all the ingredients that you will need. So I have an English cucumber that has been washed and the ends cut off so we can do easy slicing. And I'm going to take this to the 1 position because we do want some thinly sliced cucumbers, and then I'm just going to go that across and get some really good slices. Once you have your thinly sliced cucumbers, we're going to sprinkle them with a little bit of sea salt. This little pink Himalayan sea salt, private collection from Kroger, and give that a little turn, and then we're just going to gently turn those a little bit, toss those around. Okay, and then we're going to set those aside for a little bit, and we're going to start preparing the bread. So to prepare the bread, we have a mixture of butter and fresh dill. So this fresh dill you can pick up in your produce section of the grocery store, and this is what it looks like. And you want to rinse it right when you're about to use it, and then just give it some dicing. And I'm using the organic, and you want to chop that up and sprinkle a generous amount into your room temperature butter, and then you want to give a little bit of squeeze of lemon into there, which I've already done. And then we're going to be using a little bit of white pepper on top of the layers of cucumber once we begin making the slices. So that's what we're about to do now, and I'm just giving this a good little mix. And then we're going to get our butter knife and start buttering these bread slices. So using a butter knife, we're going to do a thin layer of the dill butter on both slices of bread. We're going to add the cucumbers that we set aside with the sea salt, and we're just going to layer small amounts of the cucumbers slices onto the bread. So once you have a thin layer, you're going to take some white ground pepper, and we're going to sprinkle just a little bit on top. And then we are going to close it up and we're going to cut off the sides. So the cucumber sandwiches are done now. I put a few sprigs of dill on top so that when we get there and put them on the platters, we can kind of garnish with a little bit of dill. And I have them inside of a Pyrex dish with some parchment paper so that for the commute, they'll be nice and in place. We're gonna cover it with a little bit of parchment, and then we're gonna put this lid on top, put them in the refrigerator while I get ready. And we are going to be on our way, so let's get dressed. I thought I'd give you a glimpse of our camellia bush out front, and this is also part of the reason why I sound the way I do, guys. Look at all this pollen, but these camellias are so absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love them. Oh, they're just stunning. Each one so lovely and gorgeous. This one underneath here caught my eye, even though it was kind of hidden. It's so pretty. I love them. But yeah, guys, pollen is everywhere. There's still a little bit of dew on the trees, but they're so gorgeous. They're already dressed for the tea party. I need to go get dressed. Here is the dress that I am wearing to the tea. This is A Loves A. I bought it at Dillard's. It was on sale for $45. I just love the layering of the ruffles and the little bow. It is long sleeves, but it's like a lightweight type of linen material in a fuchsia, and it's a little bit chilly out right now because it's overcast and it's calling for rain, so this should be perfect. Then I have my little fascinator hat. So I'm going for a monochromatic look. It has the headband or the clip. You can wear it either way. And then I have these Kurt Geiger shoes. Aren't they just adorable? Oh my, they just look perfect for the tea. So that is what I'm wearing. I like the bow with the bow, very cute detailing. And it is still officially winter, so technically it's okay for me to wear these velvet shoes. I'm just hoping it does not rain. And I just think they're absolutely adorable. I got these at Dillard's also, and they were on sale. So if I can find any of this online, I'll leave the links in the description box below. And then of course, you know, I have to throw a little thrift in there. This is my Lady Dior inspired bag, and this is a Carlos Mancini bag, and it is all leather, and it just reminds me of the Lady Dior, the Lady Diana Dior bag. And so I have that already packed. Oh, and because it's calling for rain, I am going to throw in this cute little, it's called a hairbrella, and I will leave this also in the description box below. It's kind of like a bonnet with a visor so that your hair can be completely covered in the rain. It won't get on your glasses or your eyes because it does have a visor, and it comes like this so you can unpack it in there. It was really cute. I'll do a split screen, but I'm going to carry that. And because my sinuses have been acting up, I picked up this ENQUIRERS nasal spray. It alleviates congestion. It's completely drug-free. You can use it as much as possible. Even pregnant women can use it. The ingredients are purified water, xylitol, sodium chloride, and grapefruit seed extract. But it's supposed to be non-habit forming, drug-free, and it's supposed to really be good. I've only been using it a couple of days. I have noticed a little bit of a difference. I'm not as congested, so I'm gonna have that in there in case I need to use it. But I will leave that in the link below as well if I can find it. Now I am getting dressed. So here's the completed look all put together, and I am wearing hosiery by the brand Me Moi. I picked them up from Dillard's. I love this. This is the sheer, and they are in the color honey, and they fit fabulous. I got them in a size large for my height. That is the size that I would wear, but I highly recommend them, and I'll leave the link in the description box below. Girl, you're getting moneyed out today.
I know, right?